To download and install apps on your iPhone, you'll first locate the App Store, which looks like this. This is your marketplace for all the apps available on your iPhone. If you're logged into an Apple account on your phone, you're all set and ready to start downloading. If not, your phone will ask you to either create or log into your account. You'll see all kinds of charts and recommended apps, and on the bottom, you can switch between different categories. Browsing around and looking at the different recommendations is a great way to discover new apps if you're just looking to find something new and interesting. If you're looking for something specific, the search function is usually the easiest way to find what you're looking for. Type in either the exact app name or the general category you're trying to find apps for. The results are usually ranked by both the ratings and download volume. Popular apps show up on top. I'll download this bird app by tapping the Get button, and my phone will ask me to confirm the download by double pressing the side button. The App Store has both free and paid apps, and if you're looking at a paid app, you'll see the price before you download anything. You can also tap the search results if you want to learn more about the app. They'll have previews, reviews from other users, technical details, etc. Once your app is downloaded, you can open it directly from the App Store, but it also goes into your app grid, usually in the first available empty spot in your list of apps. Mine is right here, so now I can open this app anytime by tapping it here, or if I want to, I can tap and hold it to drag this app anywhere within my app grid. And that's how you install apps on your iPhone. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy and quick guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.